Hello everyone, I'm Nikhil M. Kulkarni, a product marketing engineer at Broadcom. In this demo, let's talk about a common challenge in the Kubernetes world, upgrades. As many of you know, Kubernetes upgrades are inherently sequential. You can only upgrade a Kubernetes cluster to the immediate next version, which means moving from one extended support version to another often involves multiple time-consuming and error-prone intermediate steps. But what if there was a way to simplify all this? What if you could upgrade your CaaS clusters directly from one extended support version to another without having to worry about these intermediate steps? That's exactly what we've enabled you to do with VMware Telco Cloud Platform. With VMware Telco Cloud Platform, we have introduced the capability to upgrade the CaaS clusters directly from one extended support version to another without having to manually perform the sequential upgrade. While the sequential upgrades still take place under the hood, ensuring that all the necessary steps and validations are performed, they are completely transparent to you, thus streamlining the upgrades to a greater extent. To start with, let's verify that the CaaS workload cluster, CaaS WLD02A, is on the Kubernetes version 1.30.13 by logging into Telco Cloud Automation and navigating to CaaS infrastructure subsection under the infrastructure section. Also make sure that you have uploaded all the VM templates to the vCenter for the source, destination, and intermediate Kubernetes versions. Next, you can specify the VM template path in the CaaS upgrade config. To do that, let's navigate to Workflow Management subsection under Workflow Hub section. Click on the Workflow Hub Administration tab and clone the CaaS LTS upgrade config template variable. Furnish the VM template details for all the versions and provide a name to the variable. In this case, CaaS LTS upgrade config. Then click clone. Next, click on the Workflows tab and search for CaaS LTS upgrade. Then click on the ellipsis next to it and click run. Then paste the input that contains the name of the CaaS management cluster, the CaaS workload cluster to be upgraded, and the target Kubernetes version, which in this case is 1.33.1. Select the variables for the upgrade path, upgrade config, and the upgrade mapping of the CaaS workload cluster, and click run. This triggers the upgrade process, and the process upgrades the CaaS workload cluster from the source Kubernetes version to the target Kubernetes version. You can follow the process by expanding the workflow run, and you can observe that the CaaS workload cluster is upgraded from one Kubernetes version to another sequentially up until the target Kubernetes version. Once the whole process completes, the workflow run status changes to completed. If you navigate to CaaS infrastructure subsection under the infrastructure section, you can validate that the CaaS workload cluster has been upgraded to the target Kubernetes version. Through this process, we have demonstrated that the CaaS upgrades from an extended support version to another extended support version has been greatly simplified with VMware Telco Cloud Platform, thus reducing the time to market for new capabilities and services and reducing the overall total cost of ownership. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Thank you.